catch 'em all.
Oh, doo-doo?
You in a bad spot, dog.
That's the best spot. What's up?
You in a bad spot. I was like, KJ came and he was parked right there too. I say on the bike, he went, told him ride it up and down a couple.
Oh, okay.
And then he came and parked right there. I said, no, dog, you in a bad spot.
Oh, yeah,
For
yeah.
whatever reason, there's a bunch of shit there.
Yeah. I did see it.
Yeah, I want to see some more of that footage from.
Oh, okay.
But you don't even have to.
I can share it with you.
Yeah, just share it with me on YouTube, but don't post it so everybody can see it. I just want to. I want to see something.
Okay.
What up?
I said, I got some shit in the back.
You see it's coming up now, right?
I do.
Booster Shine is coming too.
Here?
Yeah, I just told him 7 Mile
Like
and. Huh?
You hear that bike over there?
Yeah, I did hear it. Let me make sure it ain't him. Royal Oak area. What's going on, J9?
I seen you guys ride by, man.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I got hit on my 636 out on the north end of town, and it just started riding.
Oh, really? How you like this?
I just got it for stunt, and shit.
Okay.
I'm not like, I didn't mean front man. I ain't ready to do that kind of big bike yet.
Mm.
4, 3 down, 1 full, 1 down, 3 up's enough for now.
Right. Look, at least you smart enough to know that, though.
You know
a lot
what,
of
man?
cats think you can't say that, you
I
know?
had to get my feet wet again because after I got hit, luckily I was armored up. I probably would have died. The guy that hit me was texting. Like a dumbass, he got out of the car and was like, I didn't see you, I was sending a text.
Oh, wow.
When everybody was around me, so I had him.
Right.
He settled out of court, but
Wow.
them are some badass bikes, man.
Yeah. Woo. Yep, just came down, get a little sun, a little water, you know?
Bike scene down here is pretty good, man. There's usually a lot of bikes down here.
Oh, okay.
I figured there'd be more down here today than there is.
Yeah. Yeah, this is a good day for it.
Because of the holiday.
Is that Repasol up there?
Yep, that's her.
Hey, do you know this area?
Yeah, I'm from here.
Do they have
Okay, so we have food vendors that are out right now. There's a place called, it's the old Admiral gas station. It's up this way a couple blocks. There's a whole bunch of food stands set up. They got Jamaican jerk and like the kind of stuff you're looking for.
You said it, but it's like a couple blocks or a couple miles?
It's only a couple blocks. It's right across from Ryan's Party Store. Like if you GPS Ryan's Party Store, you'll see this old gas station. It's not that far from here, and they got all kinds of food trucks set up. Lots of them. They got good food over there.
I was hoping there was something like over here. They don't do it over here.
They used to. I don't know why they're not today. They could be making bank right now. You guys are out here with big boy bikes today. Our local bike scene is not.
Yeah.
Why we ain't go by them rocks where we was earlier? We ain't gonna be on
It wasn't no parking, that's all. I didn't see no parking.
I like it over there better.
You like it over there better? You can walk over there along the pier. Get some exercise.
No, you ain't talking. Really? You ain't see it when it was that was
that one right there?
Oh, right there. No, when we was coming.
That's 14, ZX14 Kawasaki.
Damn, man.
Yeah, that's turbo actually.
Top speed on that?
Yeah, he got turbo on that
How
one.
fast he had it going?
I don't know, you gotta ask him.
Which one owns that one?
With the blue shirt.
How fast you had that going so far?
Jesus.
It's insane, man. Nah, I gotta, once I get back into it, man, I'm gonna go get a little R6 for now.
Yeah. Yeah, those are nice.
I was scared to get back on the bike, to be honest. Alright, man, I appreciate you guys stopping and talking.
Okay, you too, man. Be safe out here.
Yeah, you too, you guys be safe.
All right.
Well, right here. Yeah, you
Right over there on the other side.
we can walk down there.
You wanna walk down there? Yeah, let's go on 7. What time is it? 4:14. All right, we gotta be out here at 5 o'clock.
How long? It didn't really take us no time to get here though.
It take you like 2 hours to get home.
No, hell no. We wasn't on the road that long.
Well, no, I'm not going.
We got here quick as hell.
Not.
I mean,
That's because we was qualifying. We wasn't taking it. We was qualifying. We wasn't taking it easy.
I mean, we was. We was at like 95 most of the way.
Yeah. 95 kilometers, y'all.
Why the water don't be like this?
It's actually bluer. It's much bluer than this. It's much bluer than this too. Usually, it's much bluer than this.
Why you think it's dirty?
It ain't dirty. It just ain't the season yet.
What, for the water to turn blue?
Yeah.
He's saying
It ain't warm enough.
It'd be blue. It'd be way bluer than this.
It ain't warm.
I don't think it's warm enough
You gotta
yet.
wait till July or something.
Shoot, not even that. I wonder
It
what's
should have been. It should have been. Well, you know, our temperature's been so fucking awful. It's unreal.
straight 94 to the end. Just don't go to Canada.
Nice little way.
Man, that's a big boat.
Oh, put this in my picture, kid. Come on, while it's moving. Put the phone. Come on. We have been moving.
Look how high it be hitting on that ocean.
Right.
See the watermarks on it?
Mm-hmm. Look, and it's barely clearing that bridge. Right.
About 10 more feet.
Shoot. Watch that top piece. Look at that top piece though now.
It's a lot of distance.
Yeah, it is.
We down on the ground.
Yeah, it's a lot.
That's not the biggest boat to come through.
Yeah, that's true. It's big enough. I ain't
All
trying
they
to
got
get
is
on
all the
that.
stuff from Walmart on there. Ain't that what that is? Cheaper Walmart stuff. At Amazon.
Captain what?
Phillips.
Oh, Captain Phillips on there?
See that?
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yes, it is.
Alright, Sean, if you'd have dropped your keys, what you gonna do now?
I put them up.
You going for them?
I'm going for them. It's going to be a long way.
I wonder how deep it is right here. Just right here.
How deep is it right here?
Put your feet in there. Ayana, put your feet in there. Take your foot off.